They say education happens within four walls, but at Learning Academy Worldwide, we've discovered a different truth. The most profound learning doesn't wait for a bell to ring or a classroom door to open. It lives in the hearts of those who refuse to let circumstances define their potential. In the heart of that wonderfully embracing community of Haarlem in the Southern Cape of South Africa, you, our students, have, through your incredible effort and your grit in the face of obstacles that would make others turn back, shown us that diligence isn't just about finishing an assignment. It's about the relentless pursuit of better. Whether you were navigating a digital interface or working the soil of a local farm or land, you are rewriting the rules of what it means to be a scholar. In this unique corner of the world, you haven't walked this path alone. You have been guided by brilliant educators who believe that education belongs to the world, not just the schoolhouse. Through their mentorship, you have bridged the digital divide, rediscovered the value of nature, and embraced 21st century education that is as mobile and as resilient as you are. Your commitment has transformed the Haarlem community into a laboratory. You've proven that when you take lessons out of the textbooks and into the community, the results are life-changing. You aren't just learning for a grade, you're learning for a future where you are the innovators and the leaders. And that's inspiring. On behalf of the Learning Academy Worldwide Leadership Team, we want to say a massive thank you for your dedication and your spirit. You have shown us that the best learning truly takes place beyond the walls. We are so proud of everything you have achieved, and we wish every student, teacher, and their families a healthy, inspired, and great 2026.